Hi everyone, this is Tammy at Snowstorm Crafts, and if you're new here, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. So today I want to show you guys how I'm going to make a Alaska junk journal using this paper bag. So I showed you guys, I got back from my Alaska trip and I got a bunch of ephemera, and I showed you guys on the first video for the playlist of what I got and just some ideas and things that I might use. So I will put that video at the end of this one on the end screen so you guys can come check it out. So today I want to go ahead and take this fun menu I got here, and I want to collage the inside of the journal here. So I'm going to use this, and I have a paintbrush and some gel matte medium, water. And then when we're done doing that, let it dry, I'm going to use some of my stencils I have here. And if you're interested in any of the things that I'm using, I will have the Amazon links down below. Come check them out. Okay, so I got that. And then just some acrylic paints that I have. And I just got these at like Walmart. So just whatever paints you got. Just a little lid to put the paints on, a stenciling brush, and I think that's about it. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and rip this into pieces and start collaging it down on the inside of the journal. Okay, so just to show you guys, I am just taking some of the gel matte medium here, and I'm making sure to get all the edges and stuff on the bag just glued down, and make sure it's glued so it's not just little pieces just, you know, popping up here. So I'm doing that, and I'm trying not to glue this piece down because I want to make this a little pocket here. So I'm just taking it and just collaging until my heart's content here. So just see what you got and slap it down. And there we go. So I'm just using this whole little newspaper menu here and just going through and putting it down there. And I think this will give it a lot of interest, and I think it'd be fun. Okay, so I'm just doing that, and then I want to go back and maybe put some fun things on the top here. You know, I get the little bear and all that. So that's what I'm going to do, and I'm going to continue just collaging down. Okay, so I went ahead and got it all collaged down. I think it turned out pretty fun here. And then I just dried it with my heat gun. I put down some parchment paper just because I didn't want to make a mess on my table. Okay, and what I want to do now is I'm going to go ahead and trim. I'm going to turn it over and just trim all the newspaper edges off of it. All right, so I went ahead and cut all around here. And for this part, I just flipped it like this and then just cut right here just to get the newspaper cut even. Okay, so this is as far as we've gotten. And now I'm going to take my stencils here. I love this one. It looks like a wood grain. And then this one looks like coffee mugs, you know, the rings of it and the splatters and or tea. So I think I might just do those and maybe use one of my studio little pencils that you can write and then get it wet and then it just does some black on it and stuff. I'll show you. It's pretty cool. But yeah, let's go ahead and do that. So what I'm thinking is I want to use, I think, a little bit of the crackling campfire. So I'm just going to take it and just go like this. And then I'm just going to do that all over and stencil all around and see how it turns out. Okay, so I went ahead and did some stenciling around. I think that turned out really cool. Okay. And now we could go ahead and take our pencil here, and I'll just show you what this does. It's pretty cool. I've had it forever. I don't even know where I got it from, but they're really neat how you could just kind of just go through, just add some boldness to it. Just kind of give it a little more depth. And then you could just take some, here, I'll just use this since I have it here. And just kind of take a little bit of water and smear it around. So that's something you could do for sure. And they don't have to be perfect. Okay. All right, so we got that, and then I think I want to go ahead and I got some gesso and water, just a mixture. No real measurements or nothing here, just kind of made it pretty thin. And then we can take this, our little fan brush, and just do a little bit of splatters. And I didn't tell you guys, but the reason I didn't do anything down here is because I will be doing, I think on our next video I'll be doing a pocket down here. So for now, I just wanted to get this decorated on the inside, and then the next video will be, we'll work on the cover on the outside, a little pocket here, and yeah, we'll just go from there. Okay, so I'm just kind of doing some splatters. Maybe get some, it's just Mars Black. I'm just putting up just a tiny bit down. And I'm gonna go ahead and just wet it like this and just get it super wet. Just like the gesso and water was, just pretty wet here. And then you take it and just do some splatters, little splatters. It's just kind of fun to do. Okay. There we go. I was gonna use gold, but I don't think so. I don't know if I want to use gold on that, but so I think this is as far as I wanted to go today on it, and we will let it dry, and next time we will work on the cover like I said, and then the little pocket here. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it informational, and if you could please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and you guys can see my next video when I post it. Like, comment, and share, and let's grow together. And keep on crafting.